Your gut is the command center for digestion, extracting nutrients from food, and managing waste. Crucial for your body's everyday functions. Hi, I'm Dr. Will Haas, the innovator behind Vive Wellness and your guide through the exciting world of integrative and cellular medicine. You might be wondering, what does gut health mean? When we talk about gut health, we're looking at the well-being of your digestive system, primarily your stomach and intestines. But it's not just about avoiding tummy troubles. Your gut is the command center for digestion, extracting nutrients from food, and managing waste. Crucial for your body's everyday functions. But here's where it gets really exciting. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the microbiome. These tiny superheroes play a massive role in your health. They support your immune system, influence your mood throughout the gut-brain connection, and even help manage weight and inflammation. In functional medicine, we see the gut health as the cornerstone to overall well-being. By understanding and optimizing your gut health, we're not just treating symptoms, we're addressing the root cause of many health issues, bringing balance to your entire system. So when you think of your gut health, think beyond digestive comfort. Think of it as a crucial ally in your journey to vibrant health and longevity.